everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Finn. Today we'll be making Thanksgiving turkey. This is an extra special episode because I can make Thanksgiving turkey with my dad. Now let's get gobbling. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees. Let's get our turkey out of the brine and pat it dry with a paper towel. When you get your bird, you have to clean out its cavity and wash the bird in the sink. You need to grab your turkey after you have already cleaned out the cavity. For our turkey, we're going to stuff the cavity with aromatics. Aromatics means having a pleasant or distinctive smell. We're gonna cut up some herbs from my garden, like sage, thyme, and rosemary, along with some apples and onions. Add some water to the apples and onions and put them in the microwave. We will use these prepared ingredients later in the recipe. Dog show break! Mold a tinfoil hat onto the breast of the turkey so it doesn't burn in the oven. Do I look good? Maybe I should wear this to the next Kentucky Derby. And then save this mold on the top of the turkey so we can use this for later. I like to place herbs and salt under the skin. It helps season the meat and makes the crispy skin taste amazing. Now, I'm going to fill the cavity with the heated aromatics. This step will help add more flavor to the turkey and is an absolute necessity. Add tinfoil to the wings of the turkey and mold it on tightly. This is a delicate part of the bird and it will burn quickly. Carefully, pour some vegetable oil on top of the turkey and rub it all over. Rub-a-dub in the tub. Now for the best part. Let's season the turkey! I use ground sage, pepper, and salt. With the help of Dad, we will put the seasoned turkey in the pan to cook. Put back on the tinfoil hat and be very careful and put our turkey in the extremely hot oven to cook. Make sure to set your timer for 30 minutes and then we wait for the magic to happen. Once the timer goes off, remove the turkey in the foil hat. We just crisped the skin, but inside the meat is not quite ready. Cover the whole turkey and cook it for another 2 to 3 hours. A turkey needs to read 165 degrees or more for it to be done. Wow! Look at that perfectly cooked Thanksgiving turkey. It's finally time to carve the turkey. My dad always carves the Thanksgiving meal. Thanks, Dad, for cutting the turkey. My mom makes homemade gravy. It is perfecto. I add it all over my turkey. Yum! Happy Thanksgiving, gobblers! This has been Cooking with Finn.
Hey, if you enjoyed Cooking with Finn, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button if you want to be alerted to whenever he live streams or uploads. Thanks so much.
Keep cooking and stay safe, everyone.